the entry just to get there. Most insane UK event.
2 people brought their back today.
Oh my god.
Air ambulance is never a good sign, is it? Today folks, we're at another weird and wonderful event in the UK. Last time we took you to the most violent sport in the UK. Today we're taking you to what's probably the most dangerous, and we have a new character unlocked. Say hello, Josh.
Hello.
What's your name? Where'd you come from?
Josh, I'm from the Neon.
Been wanting to do the cheese roll for a while. It's meant to be mental. I think I Show Speed and loads of people have done it, but now Treacle Towner's here to try it. Probably break my neck just walking up the hill to get there.
Are you out of breath?
I'm out of breath, yeah, I need some water. As well, while we're at the cheese roll, there might be a special guest, but he has broke down in the car and he's walking his whole family here, so he might be here today, he might be here for the next cheese roll. Find out later. Till then, me and Josh are gonna try and climb this massive hill. You might as well subscribe and comment that we're lazy stoner bastards. Right now, I'll see you at the top.
As we torture ourselves climbing this ridiculous mountain of a hill that looks tiny on the camera, but I promise you the thing's bloody huge, here's a little info on what the cheese roll actually is. The Cooper's Hill Cheese Roll, or Gloucester Cheese Roll as it's more widely known, is an annual race that involves around 25 people hurdling down one of Britain's steepest hills while chasing a 7 to 9 pound wheel of double Gloucester cheese. The first one to the bottom of the hill wins the cheese. Literally, if you come first, that's your prize, you get the wheel of cheese, so it's great if you're a cheese lover. The day consists of 7 main races with divisions for men, women and even children. First written evidence of the event dates back to 1826, however local folklore states that the tradition dates back over 600 years. This information was brought to you by the good folks over at Wikipedia, obviously the #1 stop for all our information in the world these days. But with that said and done, let's go and roll some cheese, Gromit.
Can't see the special guest yet, so we're going to carry on heading up before we miss it, because like always we're late. Completely missed the start. Don't even know if we can actually compete. I don't know if you got to like sign up before, although we are in slippery trainers and trackers, so don't know if that's the right equipment for the job. Be funny though. After all that, we're still at the bottom. It's like the 3rd level. You can just kind of see up there though. That's where the action's going on. A lot of chanting, a lot of screaming. The hat's even come off now because it's so fucking, oh my god. The hills are alive with the sound of cheese rolling.
Fucking loads of people. Wow.
It's like the Everson ball game, but in the mountains, and rather than a ball, it's cheese. And there's no fighting, it's more of a race. So it's nothing like it really. Look how many people are just at the bottom. We got a merch stall, we love a good merch stall. Can't see the merch stall, so let me just sign up. That climb on the dude's thing. We're getting told off for going on private property now. But to be fair, there's no other way up. Oh, sorry.
That fence has been broken. That's what I mean.
Sorry, I'll drive the other way. Totally fine. Let's kick it off. So we did have to do a little bit of tomfoolery to get through, but it was worth it. I know people shouting it's private property, but we wouldn't have seen anything if we'd stayed down there for much longer. I'll be. Jesus Christ, it's much steeper than I expected.
Oh,
See how steep it is?
Yeah, I'm getting some fucking food.
Are you getting some food now?
Hey, I'm
Hey, you got time?
Oh shit, yeah.
We'll get on the way down.
Yeah, go on.
We don't know now whether to just find a spot to watch it or try and get up to the top to compete, but 20 minutes and we don't even know if we can. We might end up just missing bloody everything. Oh, fucking got it on camera. Yeah. Yeah. You've been framed.
Is this the kids uphill?
Let's just keep on making it to the top. If it goes wrong, we can be a cheese rolling video gone wrong, can't it?
Right, look how steep that is.
We'll do it.
Go on.
I'll tell you what, you run up first and I'll be right behind you.
Where are we going?
Just...
We're doing better off going. Nah, slippy as fuck.
Sorry, mate. No. Standing over it. Nice one. Thank you very much. Josh, what setting have you got them bloody trainers on? Doing their own cheese roll here. How is this the entry just to get there?
That's the
Most insane UK event in a long while. Way! I saw the cheese! Oh, it's going to be great, guys. Tune in.
This is some fucking.
Some workout, isn't it? I'm done. Video's ended. Like and subscribe. Harry, I've reached the top. Oh, made it. Excuse me, dude. Sorry, it's probably.
Yeah,
Can I
go
get
on.
another one?
Yeah, go on.
Luckily, it's just on the video, so I'll just take a snapshot. But thank you. Do you want to say cheese rolling?
Cheese rolling
Cheese
2025.
rolling. There we go. Thank you very much, dude. See you next year. That's Mr. Cheese himself, the official. Don't know if he's the one that makes the cheese or if he's just a dude with a stick, but we met him. Did you not want a photo with Mr. Cheese?
Oh, mate.
No, you've had enough cheese.
I've had enough cheese, mate.
Snipers in the bushes. That's a great spot, man. Just don't fall out.
Can't see fuck all.
Are you waiting for it to start and then jumping in?
Yeah, right. You heading down?
It took that long to get up on foot, man, but it looks a lot less steep on the video, doesn't it?
Yeah, they don't tell you that.
Yeah. First, we've actually managed to see off the hill.
Did you see what that guy done?
Broken back.
Is it his back he done it?
Yeah, 2 people have broken their backs today.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. And I think I've broken my toe.
You've broken your toe? I saw a guy's man.
No, I think
Broken toe and 2 broken backs.
Me and
One of these broken back bandits they're on about was definitely this fella, Mr. Speedy Gonzalez. As you've probably all seen the clips by now, he really did give it the full beans. That wasn't until he tripped and started to do a bit of an acrobatics routine. From what I heard, it was pretty nasty, and I think he got a taxi ride with the air ambulance home, so hopefully that dude's okay. Check the formation on that flip, guys. I mean, Jesus Christ, that must have hurt when he come down to the landing. I mean, obviously it did. He broke his fucking back. Also, if you're wondering who all the beefy dudes at the bottom are, that's the local rugby club who volunteered to catch people so they don't go rolling down the hill onto the motorway and into the next town.
Excuse me, did you find out how to
Mate,
enter, or did you just
I'm just
just
sort of
run
walking up
down
and
or-
round and trying to find my way. You trying to do it as well?
I was thinking about it,
I'm
yeah,
just thinking
but
of going, now I'm here, isn't it?
even if I just slide down on my fucking
Yeah,
ass, you know
I'm
what
not
I mean?
going to win it, but
Yeah,
I'll give it a back.
Give it a go.
It'd just be a bit of fun, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
But like, I don't know, I thought it'd be like a little place you sign up at.
Yeah,
like,
I
up
did.
here.
But it looked pretty free
Maybe-
rein, but
Maybe you just run it, like, just jumped in.
they're still doing the finishing the uphill.
Oh, are they? Made it to the top, got no idea how we actually like sign up or do anything. Met a nice guy called Dan in the pink. Say hello, Dan.
That's what he is.
He doesn't know how to join either,
Not a
so
clue.
I think we're just gonna like just run, just start pushing people when it starts, and everyone's going down.
Go for a hurdle.
Yeah,
Queue up on that side.
oh, and just sort of like go across.
There's a whole lump of people who are queued up. There's
Yeah.
too many I went over, and it's like 100 people there.
Oh, is there only so many that can go at a time?
25 at a time.
Ah,
Otherwise, you just start like.
yeah, it makes sense. It does make sense.
But I don't know how many races they're going to do.
I think there's one men's off one.
Yeah. Oh dear. Well, have a little wander over there, just see if there's like a
I'll
queue or something. And great video for me. We've done it, we're at the bottom. Here he comes, sports fans. We did it.
We did it.
We cheese rolled.
Now, although thanks to the magic power of video editing wizardry, it does look like we competed for the cheese. Just a little less on our feet than the rest of them. But by the time we got to the front of the slope, the last cheese was already caught and we were just sliding for the love of the game.
Whew. Kind of. We technically missed the cheese. I couldn't even attempt to stand up. One last look at the cheese roll. Oh,
He's such a fucking grabber.
which cheese roll we did. Hello. I missed the cheese, but
The cheese, a bit too slow.
let me come round. Oh, special guest back on the camera, but this time with a family. Oh, good.
I know, you're all dying to see Mr. Burns back on the channel once again, but the man was trying to salvage the last few minutes of a family day out after a broken gearbox and a ridiculously long walk uphill with his minions. So didn't want to be sticking the camera in his face too much and doing all that, but I'm sure we'll see him again soon. There's always talks of projects and ideas and things with a Volkswagen in mind, so don't you worry, just subscribe to the channel and wait for the goodness to come.
Yeah, it's the police. It's the police. You know you guys are in high demand when you've got your own police officer stopping them from,
I know, and this was fully stopped earlier.
A good day. Yeah, good day for it.
We've already had an interview this morning, so I'm a bit like,
That old cake conversation was on Zoom, but there was a lovely cake woman. Don't know if it'll make it, but we'll see what the merch stall's doing. They got merch. Seen someone rolling around with a big cheese hat. Want one of them for the drive home. Oh, sweet. We've got cheese roll. Right, dude, do you take cards?
Yeah, take card.
Oh, brilliant. How much are these? It just says right there, 20 quid.
20 quid.
You got one of these in a lot?
No, sorry, smallest size we've got, mate, is 2XL.
Smallest size?
Yeah, we've had a good day.
Oh, that's different, that's different. I'll take one for the pajama top, and I'll still take one.
Yeah, £20 please, bud.
Great, cheers, dude. Oh, can I get a sticker as well?
Sorry, all out stickers as well.
All out stickers, what a good day.
I'll chuck you one of the guy who printed it.
Oh, thank you, dude. Right.
A couple of ones, but there we go.
See you next year.
Yeah, have a good one.
Thank you very much. You get them shots on you, back shots?
Yeah, back shots.
Not like that. Yeah, the only size they had left was just double XL, was it?
Yep.
So it fits over the thing. No stickers either. We should have went there when we first got here, but it would have been even later. So I'm battered, bruised. Can't even speak. Gonna have a joint. Got to give Charlie and a few of them a lift back because he's blown his fucking gearbox up. Classic Charlie Burns, isn't it? First time back on the channel in a year or so, and he's buggered a car up. I can't talk because I've crashed all the ones he's ever gave me. So yeah, get down to the bottom of this hill, have a juicy Jeffrey, and then try and save some people. Maybe a cheese rolling gone wrong video, but we're having fun, aren't we? What's the cakes like? Banging cakes. We heard it from Josh first. Wonder if that's the dude that broke his back.
Oh, probably. Imagine.
You know they put the sirens on if it was.
Yeah, we were sat there waiting, weren't they?
So we've done the cheese. Oh, no, so sounds gay as fuck. No, you know what I mean. It's hard to fucking do this YouTube thing. Man. It's hard
Do it
to,
on
like,
your own. I feel that's
sounds
gay.
fucking-
Do
yeah.
it on your own.
Sounds shit,
Do it on your
right? Anyway, I'm leaving all that in. That's brilliant. Anyway, we finished the cheese roll. We've cheese rolled with the best of them. We technically didn't actually do the cheese roll. So what happened? I didn't realise how steep the fucking thing is. Did you realise how steep that was going to be? No. So it took, it must have took an hour or two just to get up to the top because we're lazy stoners. We ain't prepared for this kind of shit. Got mud all over ourselves. We're slipping, sliding. It's probably on the camera. Maybe it's not. I don't know. That took a lot out of us. By the time we got to the top, the people had already started running down. We kind of missed it. I got a little bit on the drone, so we just followed after them. We had no hope in hell of winning. Josh here made the wrong decision of wearing a blue, show me tracksuit, nice bright blue, brand new trackie. Your missus is going to love you when you get home. She doesn't even know you've come here, does she?
No.
thinking you're at work, trying to bring them pennies, put the bacon on the table.
It's bank holiday
It's
Monday.
bank holiday. Anyway, the cheese roll was fun. Let us know in the comments any kind of weird events like this you want to see us go to and throw ourselves down, because it's pretty fun. We've done this one, we've done the Aviston Ball game, we've got the World Bog Snorkeling Championships coming up, so make sure you subscribe for that, like the video, all that bollocks people on YouTube tell you to do, and we'll see you at the next one.